Welcome to a Minnie Mouse toy review. This is the interactive educational talking pad. So let's see what it can do. First, let's turn it on.
Hi, I'm Minnie Mouse. Come on, it's time to play. Just choose a game.
Let's choose a game. You can choose by pressing right and left on the keypad and then pressing OK when you want to play that game.
Which number is missing? 5. Wonderful.
Let's play another game. Let's press home.
Just choose a game. How many are there? 9. Very good. How many are there? 8. Wonderful. Puppy. Right, puppy. P. U. P. P. Y. Wonderful. Fish. Right, fish. F. I. S. H. Wonderful. Uh-oh. Find the one that doesn't belong. Wonderful. Wonderful. Very good. Find the right combination. Find the right combination. Wonderful. Find the right combination. Wonderful.
Well guys, this is an awesome toy. It does help in learning maths, Spanish as well, English, spelling. There are even games on there to help with coordination as well. So a very useful toy for the younger toy fan. Well, as always guys, thanks for watching this video and do check in next time to see more videos just like this.
I'll see you next time.